Hello and welcome everyone. I am Aditya Ghosh, a student of the Department of Media Science, the Heritage Academy. Today we are here to discuss mergers and acquisition and also ownership patterns in media organizations.
So let's start with merger, right? Suppose there are two companies, company X and company Y, okay? So company X and company Y, both of them merge together and form a third company, that is company XY.
Okay.
So the elements of X merged into the elements of Y.
Why?
So both the parties have their stakes. Both the parties have their own shares. So it's a combination, it's a coordination, right? As far as merger is concerned, there are three types of mergers. Very simple, I'm just keeping it simple. First is the horizontal merger. What is horizontal? What do you mean by horizontal?
Something that is flat.
Something that is flat, that is like this,
Yeah.
the horizon.
It's the horizon.
Right, the
yeah.
horizon, the sun is rising from the horizon, so
Yeah.
it's flat, right?
Yeah.
Horizon means on the same plane. On the same plane, which means in terms of finance or in terms of organization, if it is horizontal, you're not adding a new value.
Yeah.
You are just repeating the same product or service line. So when a company, in terms of a media company, suppose Times of India. What is the parent company of Times of India? Venit Coleman Company Limited. That is why attending classes are very important. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
BCCL, Venit
Yes.
Coleman Company Limited. So Venit Coleman Company Limited is the media organization,
Okay.
right? So it is the parent company, the father and the mother, whatever you say.
Yeah.
So Venit Coleman Company Limited has multiple media products, like Times of India is one of them, which is a print media, newspaper.
Yeah.
They have Times Now, a TV channel,
TV.
where we used to see Arnab Goswami before.
Yeah.
Now we see Navika Kumar. Right. They also have a radio station. What is that? Radio Mirchi. Attending classes
Mirchi.
are very important. Radio Mirchi. So here we have the plethora of media products. So I have cited only three. Newspaper, another one is TV channel, the third one is a radio.
Radio.
So if you see across this horizon, they are not adding anything different. They are just changing the medium.
Medium. Yeah.
One is print, another one is audio visual, another one is only audio. Right? So there is no value addition in terms of product. If Venit Coleman Company Limited decides, I am going to buy a company which will going to distribute this information, then they are moving away from the horizon. They are going vertical.
Yeah. Right.
So Venit Coleman Company Limited, they are having their own distribution house. The MSO, the multi-service operator, they are distributing it to all the cable operators and the MSOs like GTPL, city like you have in your city. So in that case, it is vertical merger. When you are adding a value.
So
Right?
you're getting the production and
Yeah.
you're also getting the distribution, then together that is forming the vertical.
That is from the
That is
vertical,
from-
because you are not outsourcing anything.
Yeah, right.
Everything is in source, right? I mean, you have your own production house, you have your own distribution house. So you don't have to be dependent on others, right? The third one, that is called conglomerate. Conglomerate merger.
Merger,
What is
yeah.
that? Conglomerate means I have nothing to do with media. Nothing to do with media. My business is the oil and chemical business, for example. But I am very interested in media organizations. So I merge with a media company. I have no idea about media, but still I have merged. In that case, it is known as
Conglomerate.
conglomerate merger. So here we have the three broad types of merger. When it comes to acquisition, it is the other way around. Like in merger, we had company X and Y forms company XY.
Yeah.
In acquisition, what happened? If company X is bigger than company Y, or if company X is doing great as compared to company Y, then company X will acquire company Y completely.
Yeah. And it still remains X.
It still remains X with the bigger X.
Yeah.
So if you say small case XY, X and Y, if they acquired, if X acquired Y, then it's a big X.
Big X.
The uppercase X.
Yes.
Just like that.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. For more such content, please tune into the Heritage Pod. This is Aditya Ghosh and this is Subhrajeet sir signing out.